There is a fractal nature of bottoms that I like to talk about. And so this is going to be a kind of confluence of patterns on different time frames. That's kind of what fractals mean in regards to stocks. What that means is that the pattern is repeating at different levels. Weekly patterns in daily charts or monthly patterns in weekly charts. And this is something that I use all the way down to a minute chart in day trading. If I'm bullish overall on the higher time frames, often you will see the same patterns that occurred to make the stock bullish on the higher time frames occur intraday and set up for extension. So it's a really fascinating component of market psychology. Basically, when you're seeing these fractals in price action, how I interpret that is that things are moving along smoothly. Things are moving along in a healthy way. Price is digesting and acting how it should, which should be a sign that it is ready to cooperate, so to speak, and not just get stuck in these chop boxes that frustrate people. The principles and the tools, like I said, they're the same across all time frames, and that's kind of the gist of what fractals are. The core principle here is that price tells the story. While fundamentals, they explain why something fails, the technicals are going to reveal when that fall is ending and when we can look for accumulation to start occurring and when we can get long for the other side of that spectrum to occur. That progression from the stage 1 base to the stage 2 expansion, then there's the distribution in stage 3, the expansion down in stage 4, and then we're looking for that reaccumulation in the next stage 1 to turn into stage 2, and that's where we're looking to get long. So price action incorporates all the known information. It's taking all the information out there from all the parties that are able to trade the stock that have any information. And why I'm a technical trader is because I could never hope to compete against people who have either insider information or they have massive resources to crunch data on a level I simply can't. If we're talking about big banks trading desks or something, like they have algorithmic stuff I just don't have access to. What I do have access to is a chart of what all of those people with all of those assets and access are doing. And I can just follow them. It makes it so much easier. Like they have to give hints, essentially. They have to leave a footprint of what they're doing because they have to build a position with so much money. I don't have to do that. I can just recognize what they're doing and hop in. That's my advantage as retail. That's our advantage. That's why I think technicals are so important.